Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your messages on the Fiverr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received a message on the Fiverr app and you want to go ahead and check it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first open up the Fiverr app. Next, your homepage is going to look something like this, where it gives you a dashboard overview. On the bottom left-hand side, you're going to see a message icon. Click on that, and then this is where you're going to be able to see all your messages that have been sent to you. So once you go ahead and click on a message, you can go ahead and reply to them, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your messages on the Fiverr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.